Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the entire process of creating a Binance account, making a deposit, and starting futures trading using your mobile device. This tutorial is structured in a simple and beginner-friendly way so that anyone can follow it without difficulty. First, let's start with signing up for your Binance sign-up. Before proceeding, please install the Binance application on your smartphone. Once the app is installed, launch the Binance app. On the main screen, tap on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You can sign up using either your email address or your mobile number. Check the box to agree to the terms of service. Then press Continue to move forward. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Type in the verification code you received. Next, set a secure password for your account. Ensure your password includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and is at least 8 characters long. After that, you will be directed to the referral confirmation page. At this step, be sure to select Yes. A field will appear where you can input a referral code. Enter the referral code SKY333 into the field. By using this code, you can receive a 20% discount on trading fees along with additional rewards. So be sure to enter it before completing your registration. Next, we will proceed with the KYC identity verification process. Verification is necessary to enable deposits, trading, and withdrawals on Binance. First, select your nationality. Then choose the type of identification document you want to submit. Several document options will be displayed on the screen. For most users, using a passport is the simplest option. Tap Take Pictures when you are ready. Align your passport properly and capture a clear image. Next, proceed with the facial recognition step. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen. Once completed, your verification request will be submitted. The review process typically takes about 1 hour. After approval, your account status will change to verified. Next, we will set up Google Authenticator for enhanced security. Return to the main screen. Tap the Binance logo located at the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon at the top right corner. Go into the security menu. Select Authenticator app from the list of options. Tap Enable to start the setup process. Enter the verification code sent to you. You will now see the Authenticator setup screen. Copy the 16-digit setup key displayed on the screen. Install and open the Google Authenticator app. Open the app and tap the plus icon. Select Enter a setup key. For the code name, enter Binance. Paste the 16-digit key into the key field. Tap Add to complete the setup. A 6-digit verification code will now be generated in the app. Copy this 6-digit code. Tap Next to continue. Enter the code correctly in the required field. Once verified, the setup will be completed successfully. Now, enable Pro Mode to access futures trading features. Return to the main screen again. Tap the Binance logo once more. If you see the Binance Pro option, tap it to enable Pro Mode. Second, we will now take a detailed look at how to deposit funds through the peer-to-peer transaction method. Tap the Assets icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. The Spot wallet is mainly used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading activities. In contrast, the Futures wallet is specifically used for futures trading only. From the available wallet options, choose the Spot wallet. Next, tap the Add Funds button. On the next screen, you will see several deposit methods available. For this tutorial, we will use the peer-to-peer deposit option. Tap the icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Select the local currency you intend to use for the payment. Then, choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. In most cases, USDT is the most commonly selected option. Tap the relevant button to proceed. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Tap the button once again to continue. You will now be directed to a page where you can choose your payment method. A list of available sellers will be displayed on the screen. For safety purposes, it is recommended to select sellers with high ratings and many completed orders. Choose a seller from the list and tap the Buy button. Please be aware that some sellers may request additional verification steps. Enter the exact amount you intend to purchase for this order. Before moving forward, carefully review all the details provided by the seller. If everything looks correct, tap Place Order. Once the order is created, the seller's bank account details will be shown. Before making the payment, open the chat window and carefully read the seller's instructions. When sending the payment, double-check the account holder's name and bank details. Proceed with the transfer using your selected payment method. After completing the transfer, tap Upload Payment Proof. Upload a clear screenshot or image as evidence of your payment. After uploading, check the confirmation box at the bottom of the screen. Tap the Transferred Notify Seller button at the bottom. Shortly after, the USDT will be released and automatically deposited into your spot wallet. Finally, I will guide you through the complete step-by-step process of trading on Binance Futures. Before placing any futures trades, you must first move funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Begin by opening your spot wallet. Within the spot wallet, tap the Transfer button to start the transfer process. Set the transfer direction from spot wallet to USDM Futures. Next, choose the asset you want to transfer. Then, input the amount you wish to transfer. After a brief moment, the transferred funds will be reflected in your futures wallet. To access the Futures trading interface, tap the Futures tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will now see the Binance Futures trading interface. At the top left corner, tap the Trading Pair section to select the asset you want to trade. For this example, we will use the BTC/USDT trading pair. Next, review and select the margin mode according to your trading strategy. In cross-margin mode, your entire balance is shared across all open positions. In isolated margin mode, only the margin allocated to each position is used independently. For beginners, isolated mode is generally recommended because it helps limit potential losses. Now, set the leverage level you want to use. Binance allows leverage of up to 150x. While higher leverage can increase potential profits, it also significantly raises the level of risk. If you are a beginner, it is advisable to start with a lower leverage setting. Next, determine your trade direction based on your market outlook. If you anticipate the price will rise, tap Buy to open a long position. If you anticipate the price will fall, tap Sell to open a short position. You can check your available margin for trading in this section. Below, select the order type that matches your trading plan. You can choose between a limit order and a market order. Enter the desired price and quantity for your trade. If you expect the price to increase, tap Buy Long to submit the order. If you expect the price to decrease, tap Sell Short to submit the order. By tapping the Positions tab at the bottom, you can track your open positions in real time. ROI displays your current profit or loss as a percentage. Entry price represents the average price at which your position was opened. Mark price indicates the current reference price in the market. Liquidation price shows the price level at which your position will be liquidated. To manage risk more efficiently, tap TPSL to set take profit and stop loss levels. When you are ready to close your position, tap the Close button. Choose whether to close at the current market price, or place a limit order at a specific price. Enter the closing price and the amount you wish to close. Then tap Confirm. Once confirmed, your position will be fully closed. In today's tutorial, we covered the full process of setting up a Binance account and beginning futures trading, with a focus on beginners. Each step was presented in a clear and detailed way so that anyone can easily follow along. If you encountered any difficulties or still have questions while watching, please feel free to leave a comment at any time. Thank you sincerely for staying with us until the end of the video.